In this video, you'll learn how to create an overlap exploration in Google Analytics 4. This type of exploration is really useful when you want to understand how different audience segments intersect. For example, users who purchased and also subscribed to your newsletter, or people who visited two or more key sections of your site. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get to the segment overlap view inside GA4. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has access to the property you want to analyze. If you manage multiple accounts or properties, double check that you've selected the correct one from the account and property drop-downs at the top of the interface. This avoids confusion later when you're looking at your data. Once you're on the right property, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu with options like Reports, Explore, and Advertising. Go ahead and click on Explore. The Explore section is where GA4 keeps its more advanced analysis tools outside of the standard reports. This is where you can build custom explorations, funnels, path analyses, and of course, segment overlaps. After you click Explore, you'll be taken to the Explorations home area. Here, you might see a list of any explorations that already exist for this property. Above or near that list, look for the option labeled Template Gallery. Click on Template Gallery. The Template Gallery is essentially a set of pre-built exploration layouts that Google provides, so you don't have to start everything from scratch. Each template is designed for a specific kind of analysis, like user lifetime, funnels, paths, or in this case, overlap. When the template gallery opens, you'll see several different cards or tiles, each representing a different type of exploration. Take a moment to scan through them until you find the one called segment overlap. Go ahead and click on segment overlap. As soon as you do, GA4 will create a new exploration based on that template. Now you're inside the segment overlap exploration. Even though we haven't added extra steps, it's helpful to understand what you're looking at so you can make sense of it. Typically, you'll see a large chart area in the middle that will show overlapping circles once you define your segments. And on the left side, you'll see sections where you can add segments, dimensions, and metrics. From here, you can start adding the segments you want to compare, such as users who completed a specific event, reached a particular page, or came from a certain traffic source. As you add segments, the visualization will show you how many users belong to each segment, and importantly, how many users fall into the intersections between them. This makes it much easier to identify overlaps between key user groups, spot cross-engagement patterns, and uncover opportunities like users who are very engaged but have not yet converted. As you work with this exploration, remember that you can rename it at the top so it's easier to find later, and you can save it so other people with access to the same property can view it as well. You can also duplicate the exploration once you like the setup, then tweak the segments or date ranges to compare different time periods or campaigns. That's all it takes to create an overlap exploration in Google Analytics 4. Go to analytics.google.com, click Explore on the left, open the template gallery, and choose segment overlap. From there, it's all about experimenting with the segments that matter most to your business and using the visualization to understand how your audiences intersect.